job, Mr. David. All right, Audrey, ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Audrey, ready? Come on, let go of the spoon, Audrey. Let go.
And that would be why her face is a mess today.
Audrey, let go of the spoon. Thank you. All right, Mr. David, here's how a clean child eats.
I want to point out that the clean child has quite a bit of food right near his eyeball.
Here's how a messy child eats.
Oh, babies. We needed that laugh today.